Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So, one tricky thing about sublimation is trying to achieve the all-over look without a wide format printer. But today I'll show you how you can achieve the look, and we're going to go ahead and create this super cute tote bag. I'll have everything you need in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Don't forget, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, to begin our project, we're going to go ahead over to canva.com and enter the dimensions of our paper. I'm using 11 by 17 paper, so that will be the size of my canvas for today, okay? So now I'm just going to go ahead and upload the images that I'm using, and these will be linked in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And now I'm just going to size my image using some measurements that I took just by using some measuring tape on the bag. And once I have it sized how I want it, I'm just going to crop it. I'm going to crop this image about halfway. And once I have one side cropped, I'm just going to duplicate this page and do the same thing for the other side. So I cropped the images halfway. And when we print this, we're just going to cut and piece it together like a puzzle. So once you have your images all cropped and sized to your liking, don't forget to reverse your image. And then you're just going to go ahead and download and print. And when you print, make sure you're using premium presentation matte settings. And this is the tote bag I'll be using. I grabbed it from Michael's. That will be linked in the description box as well. And so what I did to help prevent like creases and ghosting on this project, I just took a box, a regular shipping box. I measured out the bag and then I just cut it. And then I'm just going to insert that inside my bag to hold it into place. Okay, so I'm going to lint roll this really good. And then I'm going to go ahead and pre-press it. I'm going to press it at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 seconds. So now that it's all nice, flat, and lint rolled, this is how I determine how many pages of paper I need to print. I just take the paper I'm using and I just lay it out over the bag. And then I just, so obviously right here I need 2 pages, but I always print out an extra page because when you start cutting, of course your paper gets smaller. So if this project requires 2 pages, I printed out 3. And what I'm going to do is just trim away this extra paper right here, and then I'm going to line it up with my other paper, and it's basically just putting a puzzle together. Okay, so we're just going to piece this together so that instead of 2 pages we get 1 big page. Once you have it all lined up, now you would take your heat tape, and I'm just going to put a little bit right here to just hold it together while I flip the design over and then trim the extra. Now, you're supposed to use heat tape, but I've been doing so many projects I ran out, so I'm just using masking tape right here, like in a pinch, and surprisingly it worked. So if you ever run out, I wouldn't suggest doing this for every project or doing it often, but my other heat tape hadn't arrived yet and I wanted to get this video out, so I'm just using masking tape. So I just tape that together, and then I'm just going to tape the other pieces together as well. So now that everything is all taped up and looking really good, I'm going to take this adhesive spray, lightly spray my paper, and I'm going to stick it onto my bag. And this helps your image stay in place, because sometimes when you lift your heat press, your paper will be stuck to the top, and that'll cause ghosting on your design. We don't want that. So the adhesive spray helps it stay in place. And I have a 15 by 15 heat press, and in order to give this an all over design, I have to press it a few times, as you can see. So I just basically pressed it in 4 sections. And now this is the moment of truth, you guys, the big reveal. This is like the scariest part of any project all times. And success. You guys see how Cosmos ink is just really coming through and just really popping? Oh my God, I love this bag. But as always, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.